Hello guys, RiderTech here. This video is a review of 2022 and what we could expect for the next year, 23. I'm recording this on the last day of the year and will probably be the first video of the year. Some updates on the channel. Due to the bad weather, I could not film in December. Portugal, the north of Portugal had really bad weather, and I don't trust the cameras to stay dry with this kind of weather, so I opted for not filming. I had some backlog, but some of the videos that I filmed in the last day of good weather got corrupted. The camera decided to crap out on me after a firmware update, so that's the reason why you mainly got shorts from December. After that I decided to take some time off to think about things and to plan better for the next year. For those of you that are with me from the first day, thank you. The channel almost reached 100 members on the topic that is that has a lot of good channels, so I understand that it's a really niche community, and my bike is not that interesting. I thank those of you that are with me for following me on my journey in the motorcycle world. And for the next year, I plan to maybe get a new bike. It's in the cards. I'm looking at it right now. As I said, it's the good time of year to buy it, but there's a lot of new models coming next year, and some of them are not really available yet to test ride. That's another thing. I will try to get some test rides. It's really difficult to get it with a small channel, so if I get some, maybe I will do voiceovers after. I will also try to get a catalog for the vacation time, or otherwise just tell you guys that I'm taking a vacation. Highlights of this year: I learned a lot, even in two categories. I have no previous experience in editing, and I learned a lot, and I hope to improve even more this year. I also learned more about riding. I did a few group rides in this year, and one of the videos that I was going to do for December was the group ride video. It was not a group ride, but it would be talking about my experiences, especially on a 1 to 5, and I hope to do it soon. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. I will leave you with the ride that we are watching. This is a ride that I recorded after the first rains of the autumn, and I hope you guys enjoy the footage. Hope to be back soon on the bike, but hope the weather cooperates. Thank you for watching. Have a great new year. See ya.